Hi everybody, just sitting at home here doing my online learning stuff, and I thought I'd show you OBS. So it's Open Broadcaster software, so obsproject.com. Click on the link, click on Windows or Mac OS. Again, this works very well on Windows. Download it and install it as per normal. What you'll then get is, when you open it up, is the OBS Studio. Now the studio itself is screencasting the studio itself. So I've got a display capture happening. What we do is we click on the plus button, we click on display capture, and from that point, I won't show you because it does actually stuff up what I'm doing here at the moment. And then basically you just click the OK button, everything is all good. Once you've done that, whatever you see on the OBS Studio in front of you here is what will be displayed. So I'm using two screens at the moment. So my other screen's over to the right. But for your purposes, if you've only got one screen, down the bottom right, what we do is we click Start Recording, and then you go to your actual thing you'd like to show the students. So for me, what I've been doing is I've been doing Grok Learning, and I've been running the students through the code here. Once you've finished with your video, you go back to OBS, click on Stop Recording, and then it will save it into the default location, unless you've set up a different location. That default location is just into your documents and then into your videos. You can see I've been doing some recording here today and yesterday. So I'm just going to show you how to easily edit this if you are not very good at editing, which is what I am not good at, but I've quickly learnt how to use it. So right click on it, click on Open With, and then Open with Photos. Now there's lots of other editing platforms you can use. However, this is the quickest and easiest without installing any other program to your computer. So the video will start to play. Just click on pause. Up here on the top right, you have the edit function, and here you can quickly trim a video, as in the start or the end of the video. You can draw on it at certain points in time, but the easiest way to edit the video, if you want to put two videos together, add a title screen, add an end screen, is to create a video with text. So that's that video that's added there. Any other videos that you want to put together, so I have to give it a name first, which is OBS, I'll just call it OBS Intro, but you name it to whatever you're wanting to show the students. So clicking on add from PC, you can add in pictures and other videos at this point in time here. So at the start of all my videos, I'm adding in a title card. Now the duration of the title card, if it's just a title, 3 seconds is sufficient. I've also been adding in learning goal and success criteria as a second title card, and I have been changing that out to 7 seconds for that. So for your title card, click on text, and it gives you some options. I have been using the adventure option and typing in your title. So we have been doing Grok Learning here today. So that's about as simple as it is. You can view it down the bottom here, click on play, looks nice and fancy, but again, you can go with any version of that and it's not very difficult from this stage. So click on done. I now have a 3 second here, and again I have been adding in my learning goal and success criteria, and listing that on a slide. That slide's been going for 7 seconds, but if you have a look at the slider down the bottom, we need to just increase this so the learning goal and success criteria slide text is over the entire duration at 7 seconds. You are limited to about 200 characters, so it can't be a massive story you would like to put in here, but again, you can use a picture and input that picture if you would like more text. So again, I have very, very simple: Window Valley State High School, Grok Learning, transitions into the learning goal success criteria, which lasts for 7 seconds, and then moves into the actual video of me explaining what we're doing. So after this, all I do is click on Finish Video. I export as medium quality, which is only 720p, which is perfectly fine for adding up to the eLearn, and then you save it wherever you would like to save it before uploading it to eLearn. So it'll just continue to export that way. So that's basically it. So thank you very much, and hopefully that is a little bit helpful. So again, on my recording here, I'm just going to press stop recording. Thank you very much.